We are just going to unscrew these hose clamps and raise it up. Have a friend help you hold it up. Try to get the wires to where they're going to run to where you're going to mount your amp. We're mounting the amp in the back of this thing. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. So I'm routing these wires away from any sharp edges from the roof. I'm going to keep them close to the pipes, close to the tubing, so that I can clean it all up in a little bit. I'm going to just hide them right now, and once I have these pretty much set where I want them to be out of the way, I can still adjust this, move it forward or backward a little bit if I need, and then tighten those down. Since we're adding another pod in, before we tighten these down, we're going to put the second pod in. But if this was your only pod, you could tighten it down now and run the LED and speaker wire to your amplifier and hook that up to the amp. And if this is the only part you're installing, you'd be set to go. Let's see the camera. So if you're installing two, you should actually install the more forward one first, so that the wires would be on top of this. But since we were installing this one for a single install video, we're going to run these wires back now, run them over this one, get them behind this, and then we'll install this one up the same way that we did the first one here. Put these here, but we still have the rear 4x4 to mount, so I'm not going to fasten these too much yet because I want the clamp to go over the bar and not over the wires. But I will get them ready for that. After your installation is complete, the last step is to throw these covers on. They're held on with one zip tie so you don't see the hose clamps. Gives it that really nice clean look. Throw that on after you've tested, everything's done, you're good to go.